But I do want to kind of show you what's happened over the course of these 32 days for both the state's case, the defense's case as well. So we have that for you, and I just want to show you what's happened over this last nearly 2 months.
We are trusting these fair trial.
And for the record, she was displaying what appears to be the front of the shirt.
Much of this, again, has nothing to do with Michelle Troconis.
January 11th, 2024.
It's the matter of state of Connecticut versus Michelle Troconis.
Michelle Troconis' trial began. She's been charged with conspiracy to commit murder, hindering prosecution, and tampering with evidence.
If I knew he was doing something wrong, I would not even walked into that car.
It's alleged she conspired with her then-boyfriend Fotis Dulos before investigators say he attacked and killed his estranged wife, Jennifer Farber Dulos, on May 24th, 2019. But she's denied any knowledge or involvement from the start.
The second I called Jennifer, it's like my stomach just sank.
During the trial, the state laid out how it turned from a missing persons case to murder investigation.
There's some back here, too.
Through the lens of police.
We were able to pick up pictures, or video rather, of Jennifer Dulos' vehicle leaving in the morning and returning, and then leaving for a second time and not returning.
And through cameras across the state, which captured their movements on the day Jennifer disappeared, including this one from Hartford, showing who appears to be Michelle and Fotis making stops and dumping bags along Albany Avenue.
In the event that the trash got picked up, got meddled with, I don't know. I wanted to have someone out there as soon as possible.
The emotion was palpable inside the courtroom when items from those bags were taken out. Zip ties, ponchos, gloves, razor, and what's believed to be Jennifer's clothing.
With respect to the front of the bra, is there a cut going down the middle of it?
There is.
Forensic experts who specialize in blood, DNA, and fingerprint testing combed through the evidence found in the bags at the Farmington mansion Fotis and Michelle shared, in Jennifer's home and their cars.
There's no place in New Canaan or in that suburban that has Michelle Troconis' DNA.
The jury heard from Troconis herself.
Do you know where she is, and can you please tell us, or at least lead us in the right direction?
Through her interrogation videos, where she's pressed on her whereabouts, what she knows, and the timeline she wrote out.
7 West Hartford Starbucks.
And from those who were working directly with the Dulos family at that time, the children's nanny, Lauren Almeida.
We told the police that a mother of 5 was missing and that she was in a very contentious divorce.
And Fotis' employee Pavel Gumieni, whose truck investigators say Fotis took down to New Canaan. He testified Fotis insisted he get the truck detailed and swap out the seats.
He keep on saying, like, you gotta do it, can you do it?
The state's final witness was Farber Dulos' mother, Gloria.
Do you have custody of the 5 children?
I do.
And since May 24th, 2019, have any of the children ever seen or spoken to their mother?
No.
The 5 Dulos children were in the courtroom for her testimony, surrounded by family and friends.
The state rests, Your Honor.
It was then the defense's turn to call witnesses. The owner of an Avon ski club, a close friend, memory expert, and cognitive scientist all took the stand.
Most people think that when you don't use a language, you switch it off. So you switch one on, you use it, you switch it off, and you go back and forth. That's not how the brain works.
This scientist provided her opinion about Troconis' ability to understand and speak English as a second language, based on watching her 3 interviews with the police, reading the transcripts, and a brief interaction with her.
The purpose was to allow the jury to at least understand that for all those hours that Michelle Troconis was being interrogated, she had a medium-level proficiency, which would at least suggest some level of misunderstanding.
Troconis chose not to take the stand and testify.
Is that your independent decision?
See.
And the defense rested its case.
At this time, the defense rests.
Thank you.
Your Honor, at this time, the state is not going to be putting on a rebuttal case.
When asked for a comment outside of court, Troconis didn't have anything to say.
Michelle, do you want to say anything? No, gracias.
Over the course of the trial, more than 200 exhibits were shown to the jury and dozens of witnesses were called.